everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2024 Ford F-150 King Ranch. With just under 39,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 Ecoboost turbocharged engine. It is 4-wheel drive. It also has a Clean CARFAX. In the front, you will find this F-150 well equipped with high intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights with fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and 2 front recovery hooks. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like powered running boards. You'll also have side cameras and turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with blind spot monitoring and passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with your beautiful King Ranch interior with different shades of brown and some nice stitching. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this King Ranch. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats with nice leather, your light brown stitching and piping. You will also have power adjustments on both sides. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 8 to 10 30-seconds all the way around. The brake pads are good to go. Along with everything else, it is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with us. Looking into the back seat, you can see your passengers will have plenty of space and they'll enjoy nice features like heated rear seats, a flow-through center console, a 120 outlet followed up with some USB and 12-volt outlets. You will have storage on the backing of the seats, a fold-down cup holder and armrest, powered rear sliding glass, and a dual-pane panoramic sunroof. Making our way around to the bed, I believe that's 5 or 5.5 foot or just a little less. As you can see, high definition rear camera, LED reverse light, all your proximity sensors integrated into the rear bumper with all of your towing equipment. You will have your Ford integrated easy step here. So that's a retractable step, super easy. You also have LED cargo lighting and a 120 outlet. Making our way to the driver door, you will see your keypad entry. And looking inside, you have all your powered options such as powered windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. You also have power folding mirrors, and you also have memory seating. On the driver's side here, you can set up to 3 profiles, excuse me. You also have a power telescoping and tilting wheel, followed up with your powered adjustable foot pedals. Up top here, you have all your lighting options. You also have a tailgate release. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate release, and panic. Upon startup, nice welcome graphics here from Ford. Just under 39,000 miles on this F-150 King Ranch. To the left on the steering wheel, you will have adaptive cruise control. Let me go ahead and just turn off that turn signal there. And to the right, you have a selector for that center screen, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And that brings us to my next point here. Dang, someone was jamming in this thing. Premium sound, by the way. You will have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and of course Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, onboard navigation. You can access your climate on here as well. And as you can see, once I engage the rear camera, nice crystal clear display, towing and guidance lines included, and your bird's eye view. 360 cameras all the way around here, folks. Down below, you will have your dual automatic climate control, so either side can stay comfortable, complete with heated and cooling seats here with your heated steering wheel. To the left, you have all your towing equipment and assist as far as your Pro Trailer Assist, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4-wheel drive selections. Over to the right, you will have a 120 outlet and a 12-volt, and if that's not enough, in the middle, you have wireless charging, a USB and USB-C. Nice leather wrapped sport shifter here, and that'll actually go into its nice recessed cavity there, so that way you can have a flat workspace. 2 cup holders, again, beautiful King Ranch leather. You have a nice deep storage console with removable trays for cleaning, and up top, it doesn't stop, integrated garage door openers. You will also have controls for your power rear sliding glass, dual pane panoramic sunroof, and your LED map lights. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will have a 3.5 liter Ecoboost gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this F-150 has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of the video, this is where I will go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this F-150. Keeping in mind that as a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here on the hood, no stone chips on the middle here. Over to the right, you will have maybe a few spots here, just a little bit of wear and tear from the road. Otherwise, very beautiful metallic white frost exterior here. Okay, also your front camera and your grille in great shape. Headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no hazy, no fading, no dents or dings in the bottom bumper. A little bit of surface rust on your tow hooks there on the front. Other than that, really great shape. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that nice wheel, no peeling of the coating of any kind. Your badging is in great shape all the way up to your paint match mirror caps. Beautiful metallic here, shining in the sunlight in Fulton County. Here on your door handle here, just a little dirty from being outside. I do apologize, but you have minimal scuffing here right by your driver door handle. Looking inside, very clean, not much to go over here, guys. Leather seats are in great condition. All your trim pieces are good. No blemishes around your center console. And what you can see of the headliner, most of the glass takes that up, but very clean. No rip stains, tears, or odors here at All Things Automotive. Super clean inside. Guys, coming around to the bed, no dents or dings. Badging is good. Tail lights are nice and clean. No cracks, no condensation, no hazy, no fading. No dents or dings here in your rear bumper. Not a lot to pick apart on this truck here, guys. If you have any questions on this F-150 King Ranch, please give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can call us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.